Oh, yeah. I'm not sitting. Oh, yeah. My Christmas training. Oh, that's the battle wall.
Oh, yeah.
You stupid. Did you get that? Snap it.
I've lost it.
Wow!
Hey, they're not bad for Chinese fireworks, are
Should be up there.
That one's got 15 in it.
He should be up there. He hasn't come down.
He's actually skeleton.
What does this one do?
That's got 15 in it.
Oh shit. This is...
And the radio has black. Come on. Die. Come on.
I really hope it doesn't go to this way. I'm like...
Try. You're going to rubbish. Make that better. Not lighting. Not shooting. Not going in. It's just a random black pen to make it start.
Oh dear.
Come on, you sound big. Yeah, then the bombs up.
Yeah, that one did know it.
If you keep lighting it, it'll light. Or just put petrol on it and then...
Oh
Then
yeah.
it'll set fire. Or WD-40.
What is your obsession with WD-40?
I think
What?
it's to bed with it.